In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download LinkedIn on your computer or on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also subscribe to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So I have here a LinkedIn app and I just want to show you how you can also get it. To do so, just go to your Windows computer and head down here. You can see we have this icon. This is a Microsoft Store icon. Go ahead and click on it. And then you will see we have quite a number of apps and one of them is LinkedIn. But in the first place, you'll have to log in or create an account, and you can simply do this using your Google account. And once you have created your account, go ahead and log in and you'll be able to see so many apps here. If you can't find your app, just go ahead and search using the search option up here. So I'll search, and as you can see, here is our LinkedIn app. To get it, go ahead and click on it and then click on Get to start downloading it. This will go ahead and download LinkedIn app, and once done, you'll see we shall have this option called Open. So if you go ahead and click on Open, it will go ahead and launch the program. Now, each and every time you want to open or to find LinkedIn app, it is pretty simple. Just go over to this Start menu, and you'll see LinkedIn is among the recently added applications. From here, you can right click on it and then choose Pin to Start, and it will be added to your Start menu here, where you can always access it. So that's how you download and install LinkedIn app on your computer or on your laptop. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.